Friends, imagine running your entire business from a single platform. No more juggling 10 different subscriptions for your website builder, email marketing, chatbots, CRM, and everything else. The constant switching between tools kills your momentum and drains your budget. Every marketing agency or online business faces the same problem. You're paying for MailChimp for emails, ClickFunnels for landing pages, Calendly for bookings, Zapier for automation, and a dozen other tools that don't quite talk to each other properly. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into GoHighLevel. Guys, this is what they call an all-in-one platform, and it's designed to replace your entire marketing tech stack. If you've been paying for separate services for landing pages, customer management, email campaigns, and automation, this tool brings everything under one roof. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so I'll explain everything as simply as possible, turning complex terms into clear actions. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Folks, we've just logged into the system and we're looking at the agency dashboard. This is the highest level of access. Think of it as the main office of your company, where you handle administrative decisions. The first thing we see is the Agency Launchpad. This is where you set up your brand identity. In the section called Add a Brand Logo, you can upload your own logo, so clients see your brand, not GoHighLevel. This is that white label business model in action, where you're selling the software under your own name. Here you can configure your domain and white label domain. Friends, these are technical settings that allow your platform to run on your own web address. This makes you look like a serious IT company in the eyes of your clients. But guys, where does all the marketing magic actually happen? That's where sub-accounts come in. These are separate workspaces for each specific business or client. And right here we can switch between these sub-accounts. This is your toggle between the agency office and the client workspace. When you click here, you'll see a list of all your projects, and you can connect to any of them. I'm going to select a sub-account I created called Smart Content Lab. As soon as we click on it, the interface changes and we get access to the CRM system, sales funnels, and those AI agents we talked about earlier. We're going to try working with them. So mates, the agency level is for managing the business, while the sub-account is for daily marketing automation work. This is where we'll be operating. The first thing that greets us in the sub-account launchpad is the setup guide, an instruction manual with a personalized checklist. Here you can quickly launch a professional website, import contacts, or set up a sales pipeline. These are important foundational steps, but we came here for innovation. So folks, in the left menu we are selecting the AI Agent section, and this is where the real magic begins. We're going to the Getting Started tab, and we can start by creating your first voice AI agent. This is technology that allows you to create an agent that will talk to your customers on the phone just as naturally as a real person. When we click the Create Voice AI Agent button, we get a choice. Browse Marketplace lets us look through ready-made solutions. Next, Create Custom Agent builds your own agent from scratch. The Marketplace works well for agency admins and when you need a standard solution for a typical business. But guys, let's set up a unique voice with the custom agent so we can walk through all the configuration steps from the beginning. As a next step, we're going to configure a unique voice, personality, and conversation script for our specific goals. Let's click Continue to start training our digital employee. In the first step, we focus on agent details. There's the agent name field. I can choose a more natural name for it. For example, my agent will be called Jessica. Business name is next, folks. This can be your company name or another brand. Language is set to English. Voice is already set to Jessica. I can listen to it.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friends, let's talk. Let's have a conversation about anything. My name's Jessica, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you.
Perfect, I like this voice. I am selecting the time zone, the LLM model, and I can choose from many available options. I'll stick with the system recommended one, which is the most optimal in terms of price and quality. Mates, there's also the agent initial message. This is the first message that appears when the agent is activated. In advanced settings, I can also set the maximum call time and other configurations. For agent behavior, you can choose fast, moderate, or normal, or go into voice settings where you can control speed, temperature, and voice volume. We can also choose background sound, which is nice when we want to create a more natural environment for our agent, so clients won't doubt they're talking to AI instead of a real person. We confirm and move to the next step. Folks, this is agent goals. This is the stage where we shape our assistant's intelligence and define what result we want from the conversation. The first and most important point here is select knowledge base. If we don't have one, we can create it from scratch. This is the knowledge base. This is your agent's brain. We click Create New and create our agent's knowledge base, where I can upload text. This could be a website link, documents, or frequently asked questions and answers. This is exactly where the artificial intelligence will pull information from to respond to your customers. We move forward, save this text, and now our database is filled. Mates, we can return to the agent list and continue configuring our agent. In this step, we select existing knowledge base and use this database about the business, services, and products. We also see the section Details to collect from the contact. Here you mark what exactly the agent should find out during the conversation, meaning what data it should collect. This includes name, email address, or contacts with you, which is the essence of the client's problem. This turns the bot into a professional receptionist. For example, folks, I'll select email, and I can choose the address, or I can skip this. The lead data will be enough for me. Next, I can use automation launch if we've created one, to trigger certain actions after this call. I can also send an email to all admins or users after this call is completed. In the background section, we save the data. And in the phone availability section, we can select phone numbers to make the conversation from the real ones. We can buy a new number and place calls from there. And guys, here we're on the home stretch, phone and availability. Here we decide exactly how clients will connect with our artificial intelligence employee. In the phone number section, you choose the one you purchased in the system. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! GoHighLevel gives us a unique opportunity to test everything without extra costs. This is through the web call function. And here you can test your agent. Guys, let's do this to talk to our bot directly through the browser using the microphone. Before clicking Start Web Call, pay attention to the time settings. You can configure business hours so the bot only responds during the day, but you can leave it active 24/7. I'm going to test our bot to check how it absorbed the knowledge base we uploaded earlier. I'll ask it questions like a real customer, and it should give me accurate answers about Smart Content Lab. Mates, this is the perfect way to polish the artificial intelligence's reactions before releasing it on a real phone line. Let's give microphone access. What kind of AI services do you offer for marketing agencies?
We specialize in AI-driven solutions for marketing automation, professional content creation, and sales process optimization. Here's a quick overview of what we offer. AI agents deployment, advanced voice and text-based AI assistants to handle customer inquiries, lead qualification, and support 24/7. Content automation, AI-powered tools for developing social media strategies and generating automated content across multiple platforms. CRM and workflow. Automation, custom-built systems to nurture leads automatically, from the first point of contact to final conversion. If you'd like more details or have specific needs, let me know.
Can your AI agents really replace my human sales staff?
Great question. Our AI agents are designed to handle repetitive and routine tasks like initial outreach, answering FAQs, and booking appointments. This frees up your human team to focus on high-value tasks, like building relationships and closing complex deals. So while they don't fully replace your team, they work alongside them to boost efficiency and productivity. Let me know if you'd like to explore this further.
I am interested. How can I book a kickoff call with your team?
The best way to get started is by booking a kickoff call with our team. During this session, we'll analyze your current business workflows and identify the best areas for AI implementation. A team member will reach out to you shortly to help schedule this. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
And there we have this conversation, guys. We can rate it, review the transcription of how we conversed with it, and also a summary of our conversation. We click Save and our agent is ready for the next step, and we can integrate it with workflow for automation, so the system knows what to do when a client hangs up or books a call. So we're moving to the automation section, specifically the workflow tab. These are your system's work processes. Folks, the real brain of the system is right here, where we write the logic for what should happen after a certain action. As you can see on the screen, GoHighLevel offers ready-made workflow recipes. These are prepared schemes for the most popular business tasks. We'll choose the appointment confirmation plus reminder template. This perfectly complements our artificial intelligence agent. As soon as the bot arranges a call, look at this. This workflow picks up the relay. And before us is one of the most advanced automation templates. This is a workflow for appointment confirmations, reminders, and follow-up client surveys. Mates, let's break down its structure. It starts with an appointment trigger. This is exactly the appointment booking. As soon as a client chooses a time in the calendar, the system instantly sends a confirmation email. Next, we see a series of steps. Wait, which is waiting. The system automatically calculates the time until the meeting and sends reminders at 24 hours and at 1 hour. This is done through email and SMS to minimize the number of missed calls. But the most interesting thing happens after the meeting. The system sends an internal notification to your team and waits for a click on a special link. Also, pay attention to the branch, which is branching. This is the logic, mates. The system checks whether the client paid for the service, and if so, it automatically marks the opportunity task. If the client came but wasn't ready to pay, the workflow directs them down another branch to warm them up later or find out the reason for refusal. This is real marketing automation, where no lead is lost and every client step triggers a clearly planned system action. You're essentially building a digital employee that never forgets, never gets tired, and follows the process perfectly every time. We can test this workflow by running a test execution. And in enrollment history, we can see what trigger our automation is currently at. Guys, in the same way we can test everything and view detailed logs for all of this. Now it's time to create the face of our business, a page where clients will get to know you and leave requests. For this, we are going to the Sites section and the Funnels tab. Let me explain in simple words. Funnels is a sales funnel. This isn't just a website, it's the customer journey where each page has only one goal: to lead a person to a target action. For example, booking a consultation. Folks, we click New Funnel and choose the innovative Funnel AI tool. This is like having your own web designer who works in seconds. Instead of spending weeks drawing blocks, we simply give it a prompt. For example, we select name of the business and also industry. Then what business we're building, get more appointments, and also how the content should feel. Let's take friendly. Guys, let's generate such a sales funnel page. And there, in just minutes, artificial intelligence has generated the structure, selected modern fonts, and written persuasive copy. All we have to do is check the result and possibly modify it, because each of these generated blocks, we can edit in the convenient builder. By the way, folks, we can see that here are questions and answers from the knowledge base. So the artificial intelligence beautifully prepared this website. After you drop in your logo, you're ready to publish the site and start gathering leads. We can buy a domain directly here or connect an existing one. Just enter the required records and verify them to get everything up and running. There, as you can see, we've connected our domain to this funnel and fully connected this domain. And now our site is available here. And here, guys, we've arrived at the marketing section, the Social Planner tab. This is a tool that turns publication chaos into a clear and understandable calendar. The first step is connecting your accounts. As you can see, the system supports everything from Facebook, Instagram to TikTok, YouTube, and even Threads. Once you connect them here, you can publish all content everywhere simultaneously. The main advantage of Social Planner is the feature called Content Planner AI. You no longer need to generate posts sitting over a blank page. You just throw in a topic, and the artificial intelligence generates the post text, selects hashtags, and even suggests ideas for visuals. Mates, think about how this actually works in practice. Let's say you are promoting a new service. Instead of writing separate posts for each platform, You create one prompt like "Promote our new AI consultation service, professional tone, focus on time savings." The AI generates the content, and you can tweak it before scheduling. This alone saves hours every single week. You can also do scheduling, and you can upload bulk scheduling through a CSV file, which allows you to upload a month's worth of posts in 1 minute. Here you can find an evergreen queue option for posts. Guys, these are posts that the system will repeat after a certain time. We can set up such a queue, so your best offers are always visible to new subscribers. I think this is perfect for promotional content that doesn't expire. You create it once and it keeps working for you automatically. The real strategy here is creating a content loop. Your social posts drive traffic to your funnel. Then your funnel captures leads. Later your AI agent qualifies them, and your workflow nurtures them. And then your social content keeps them engaged throughout the entire journey. Friends, everything feeds into everything else. Using Social Planner, you direct people from your social networks directly to that sales funnel we created earlier. This way, the entire cycle from the first post to a conversation with the artificial intelligence agent closes into one perfect machine for your business. We can also connect a very large number of applications for integration with our GoHighLevel from the app marketplace. There's Telegram, Make.com, various CRM systems, Closebot, and so on, where you can manage your apps very conveniently and efficiently. Alright folks, that's a wrap. GoHighLevel is all about bringing everything together in one place. It helps you build a complete automated sales system where nothing falls through the cracks. Instead of managing 10 different subscriptions and losing leads in the process, you get a unified platform that handles everything from the first social media post to the final sales call with an AI agent. Friends, when you consolidate your tools like this, you're not just saving money, you're gaining clarity. You can see your entire customer journey in one dashboard. You know exactly where leads are coming from, how they are moving through your funnel, and what's converting them into customers. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.